Hey guys, this is King Mean, aka Pretty Cool Guy, also known as Empty Ways on YouTube. Today, I obviously from that you can tell what I'm about to unbox. It's gonna be Street Fighter Collector's Edition, I think. So I bought it from Amazon, and this is from Capcom. So let's open it up and take a look. Right off the bat, blue Street Fighter on the side there. So let's pull this out. It's pretty awesome. On the front here, you get to see Chun-Li, Street Fighter V logo, Collector's Edition. Top is just a Street Fighter. Side there's your Ryu Collector's action figure, or sorry, just a figure, I guess. And Collector's Edition Street Fighter V with M. Bison. And then that's just telling you what's inside the box. Cool, on the bottom is just that. Bought the book also. Comes with this. It's pretty cool. Portrait of Ken and Ryu. And here's the guidebook. It's hardcover. Pretty nice. Pretty solid. Alright, let's put this aside and let's open the main thing. Okay, so let's open this up. See how you open this. You just go like this. Take out the figure first. Here's the top half. It's pretty cool. Let's set that aside right here. Inside you have this. And oh, okay, so the game itself is right here, off on the side. And it's just empty after that. I'll set this aside right here. Here's the PlayStation 4 game. Put that here for now. Come with the cool card thing there with all their pictures. And the back, you got some code thing, which, let's see, here, I'll just do this. Yeah, so it says, enjoy free Street Fighter V music, and then there's the download code down there, which I'm not going to show. And you got M. Bison, pretty legit. There's also another code in the back. It just says, enjoy these free Street Fighter comics. Cool. And then here's the design collection book. It's hard case. It's pretty good. So let's open this up real quick so you guys can see what's in here. Let's flip through this real quick. It's pretty nice. Just some arts. Alright, I don't want to waste your guys' time, so I'll just do that. There you go. They're pretty nice and glossy. It's pretty legit. And let's open the actual game. Alright, front, back, and the side. So right away, there's a code there for free subscription stuff to Twitch. And there's that. And there's the game. Open there. Just a game. Set. Nice. So that's everything. And what's in here? So in here's the second half. There's your stand. There's his. Oh, okay. Alright, let's connect it right here. I don't know. Alright, so this goes in here like this. Pretty good. There's this other foot. Goes in here. And then that, it goes right here. Just plug it in there. Wait, did this right? The fuck? Alright, hold on. Some bullshit like that. Here's this top half. Goes in right here. There you go. It's pretty legit. This, that. What? Alright guys, so that's everything that comes in the collector's edition. Hope you enjoy the video. And if you're online, I'll see you around. Bye.